Ox Tool's dual thrust caulk gun can be switched between a 12:1 or a 24:1 thrust ratio. The 12:1 ratio is for light and medium viscosity latex caulks and silicone. The 24:1 ratio is for medium and high viscosity products like polyurethane and construction adhesives. For every 1 pound of pressure you apply on the handle, it puts either 12 or 24 pounds of pressure on the rod. It has a large handle with a rubberized grip, a large lever to release the rod. The rod has a ladder hook, and it's a smooth rod for more control. The rotating barrel allows more control around corners and in tight areas, and it has a piercing tool for the caulk tube. This is a professional grade caulk gun for 10-ounce tubes.